So hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make this super cool Avengers themed Ludo. So here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So we will start with the body of all the characters. So here I am making the body of Hulk. So you will need total 4 coils for the single body, like this. We will shape the first coil with the help of quilling mold. It will look like this. Secure the shape using glue. Join all the 4 coils and it will look like this after completing. You will total need 16 bodies like this with different colors as shown. So now I will show you how each and every body looks like. It is the body of Ironman, and this one is for Spiderman, and the last is for Captain America. So now we will start with the Hulk's head. So we will need 2 coils like this to make the head. We will shape it using quilling mold. Now we will add a strip of green paper like this. Cut the extra strip. Now we will secure the shape of the head and we will join it like this. I have drawn this aggressive face of Hulk and I have already cut it. Now we will attach it to the Hulk face. I have also drawn a shape like this on the body, and now we will join head and body like this. Let it dry for some time. So now we will start with the Captain America. We will need 2 coils like this and we will shape it using quilling mold. It will look like this. Now we will secure the shape with glue, and after drying it will look like this. Now we will join both the parts. Now we will take a strip of blue color and we will attach it here. Cut the extra part and secure the end. We will again add one more layer like this. Cut the extra strip. So it will look like this after completing. Now we will take the body and I have joined two strips in parts and it will look like this. And I have given link for this templates in description. You can download it from there. And now we will cut it for the body. It will look like this after cutting. I have already attached the A and star to the body and head. Now we will join both the parts. I have attached the eyes and it will look like this after completing. Now we will take 4 strips of red color and we will give it a shape using quilling mold. We will do the same with other coils. We will also join both the coils and secure the shape. This one is for Spiderman and this one is for Ironman. And I have already drawn the lines on the face of Spiderman. Now I will cut the eyes of Spiderman from white paper and it will look like this. And I have also drawn shape like this for the Ironman and we will cut it. It will look like this after completing. So now we will attach the eyes to the Spiderman. Now we will add the shape to the Ironman face with the help of glue. Now we will take 2 small pieces of white paper and we will attach it to Ironman to make the eyes. adjust the eyes properly and draw the face. It will look like this after completing. And I have also given the link of this template in the description, and we will cut it. It will look like this. It is the reactor of Ironman. We will attach it to the body. Now we will attach the head to the body. Let it dry for some time. And I have also given the link of this template also. It is the spider of Spiderman, and it is too small, so we cannot shape cut it. So I will directly attach it, and I have also drawn the line in the body of the Spiderman. We will attach the spider. Now we will attach the head to the body. Let it dry for some time. So you will need total 4 character like this, and it will look like this after completing. I have given the link of this one in the description. You can download it from there and you can print it on any surface. So guys, here is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like my ideas, do subscribe to my channel, share this video and like it.